Everyone, it is Wednesday the 23rd. If you are in class today, then you're going to be taking the test if you have not yet. Otherwise, there is a new lesson today, so you'll be working on that. At home, there's also a lesson. Make sure that you're working on that. If yesterday there were a couple of you that didn't take the test, most of you were ready yesterday, and that was awesome. Thanks for that. But if you are home today, make sure that you are catching up if you did not take the test. We're not stopping, so you got to make sure that you're staying on top of things, and you have to do it eventually. So don't let that stuff pile up. Secondarily, or tertiarily, I don't know where I'm at in my list, but make sure that you're filling out the attendance stuff. Whether you're in class or not in class, you've got to be getting that done. That's the only place that I'm looking for attendance. So if you don't fill out the attendance discussion, you are not getting marked as here. So make sure that you are doing that, whether you are here or at home. Just a reminder, this Friday, there is no school. We have teacher workshops, so you are not responsible for anything on Friday. There will be new stuff tomorrow, Thursday, whether you're here or not. But Friday, there will be no new stuff, so you don't need to worry about Friday. The rest of you, see you in class.